Dr. Rich is here. Welcome to another unboxing video. What I have in here today for you is the OtterBox Defender for Galaxy S20 5G, and this is a Canadian version. There's also a US version that we do not have it right now in Canada. But this is the latest model that it is available on Amazon.ca, and you can purchase it. It's about, if I'm not mistaken, it's about $69 and plus taxes. All right, and what you see here, this is a Galaxy S5 that I also have the unboxing for this as well. So as you can see, it's brand new. I haven't taken off any of these yet. I just wanted to show you guys this, and later on I will take all those off the phone. All right, and one more thing before we actually continue, I appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel and also like the video, as all of these are bought by my own money and nobody really sponsor me. Thank you very much, guys. All right, so let's do the unboxing. So what we have here is the OtterBox Defender. As you can see, it's a pretty solid case that we have. Okay, so let me just put the box here first, have a look at the box, see what we have inside. These are just some manuals here. Okay. Oh, nothing else here. All right, so I put this away, and also there's nothing else here. All right, so we have two pieces in here that we need to open them, because this is a Defender model, and Defender is a little bit tougher than the other models of OtterBox. Okay, so these are the two pieces for this case, apart from this. So in case if you wanted to use this, you can, but it's a little bit bulky, and sometimes some people do not prefer it. But you can use it to, for example, hang it from your belt, or even you can put your whole phone backward, so the screen is also protected. Alright, one more thing that you also need to notice is that this case is not coming with the screen protector for your phone. Alright, so have that in mind. However, since the edge of this case is a little bit higher than the phone itself, it will cover any slams that you have on any sort of surface like that. However, if you hit it by a stone or something, then it will be a little bit scary. Okay, so let's start this. We need to open this. So there are some clips we need to open. All right, first to seal the phone. Alright, and there's also a soft texture in here that absorbs the force. If, for example, you hit the phone somewhere or it drops from some distances, it will try to absorb that. Now we put this part back on. We make sure that we hear the clipping sound here. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 of them that we need to make sure that they are actually clip properly. All right, so that's the first piece that we go with, and that's the hard case, as you can see here. Okay, Then the next one is that we need to put this in the soft compartment here. Okay. So make sure that you push all the edges so it cover everywhere. It's not hard at all. It's very easy, user-friendly. Okay. So as you can see now, the camera is inside a little bit. I would say it's about maybe 5 millimeters to 6 millimeters for the precise depth. You can refer to the manual, but this is what I guess. So I can also put the finger here so you understand that how much actually the depth is. All right, so it's kind of protecting the phone this way, and also from the front part you can see that we have like this much again depth in there, right? So about this much. All right, so this is pretty good for slamming. So it's a slam protected, no problem from any sides, right? And that is it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy, and you can see that all these keys also working properly. There's no problem with the keys, and everything is working properly. And let me just also try to use the volume. These are the keys for the volume, so all of them are working properly, no problem at all. All right, thank you all for watching this, and please again make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you like this video. It really helps me to keep this going, as all of this are from my own pocket. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.